Why are you running, bro?
Why are you chasing me?
Wait, why are you running so weird?
What's wrong? Why are you running?
Why are we running?
Hey! Why are you running? Why are you running?
Why are you running again?
Why are you running away?
Why are you running from him?
Why are you running?
Why are you running?
Why are you running? What?
Why are you running?
Why are you running? What do you know?
Why are you running? Where are you going?
I lost the empty feeling.
I know, it just feels so empty with...
But I feel strangely empty.
Empty? Feel empty now.
I feel empty.
I feel empty.
I feel so empty, so alone, so couchless.
I feel so empty.
I feel so empty.
I have all the presents. Why do I feel so empty inside?
I just feel so empty.
I still feel so empty inside. Then why do I feel so empty? Feel empty inside!
I will not let you.
Stop crying. I know, I can't stop crying.
And Goody can't stop crying.
I can't stop crying because
I can't stop crying in this show.
I just can't stop crying. I'm so happy I can't stop crying. Marion Hawthorne can't.
you guys, I can't stop crying on this show.
Can't stop crying.
And I am completely alone.
And I'm totally alone.
But here I am, all alone.
I am all alone.
Sono da sola.
I am alone.
I am alone. I am completely alone.
Like, I'm a big mouth, but I am all alone.
Midge.
I am gonna be all alone.
When I'm all alone.
Just as I am all alone on my spaceship.
To talk to Barry, I can't stop smiling.
I can't stop smiling!
I can't stop smiling.
I can't stop smiling. Sorry, I
I couldn't stop smiling watching you.
can't stop smiling at this.
That was fun. I can't stop.
What a day. I can't stop smiling.
Yeah, I can't stop smiling.
I can't stop smiling.
What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, no, it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be.